Welcome to the European Southern Observatory. In this video, we will introduce how to prepare SPHERE observations. SPHERE is the spectropolarimetric high-contrast exoplanet research instrument and high-contrast imager mounted at the UT3 8.2-meter telescope at Paranal Observatory. SPHERE is an instrument dedicated to direct imaging. It combines advanced adaptive optics, coronagraphy, polarimetry, differential imaging, and low-resolution spectroscopy to push the boundaries of contrast and resolution in optical and near-infrared astronomy. SPHERE consists of three main scientific subsystems: IRDIS, optimized for near-infrared dual-band imaging and polarimetry; IFS, an integral field spectrograph for low-resolution spectroscopy in the near-infrared; and SIMPOL, providing high angular resolution polarimetric imaging in the visible. With these subsystems, SPHERE covers wavelengths from 0.5 to 2.3 microns, delivering contrast ratios down to 10⁻⁶, close to bright stars. The correct splitters allow simultaneous observations with IRDIS and IFS. Once your SPHERE proposal is accepted, you can move to the ESO Phase 2 tool for preparing your observing material. In the Phase 2, you can define your observing blocks, or OBs, which specify the details of your observations. If you are not familiar with the Phase 2 tool, we have a dedicated video about it in this channel. See link in the description. You can use the SPHERE Exposure Time Calculator, or ETC, to estimate the required exposure time to achieve your desired signal-to-noise ratio, although often with the SPHERE you may be interested in achieving a certain contrast. Each OB shall include a target acquisition template and, at least, one science template. The acquisition templates ensure precise centering of your target on the coronagraph or on the detector if no coronagraph is used. For the science templates, SPHERE offers several observing modes depending on the subsystem you use. For IRDIS, there is classical imaging, dual-band imaging, polarimetric imaging, and long-slit spectroscopy. IFS can be combined with IRDIS dual-band imaging, the so-called IRDIFS mode, providing integral field spectroscopy in the YJ or YH bands. Advanced observing techniques like angular differential imaging, spectral differential imaging, polarimetric differential imaging, and reference star differential imaging are often combined to enhance contrast. The SIMPOL subsystem offers two imaging modes: normal and polarimetric imaging. In addition, there is a recent mode offered with SPHERE called star hopping, where users can alternate relatively quickly between science target and a reference star to construct a point spread function model for more refined post-processing techniques. Before finishing your Phase 2, please ensure you meet all the general instrument-specific requirements. This includes providing finding charts, exposure times and observing modes, and configuring the acquisition and science templates. For more details about the templates, please check the SPHERE user manual. It is also useful to check the P2Demo environment, where you can see some template examples. Once your OBs are reviewed and approved by your assigned support astronomer, your observations will be scheduled for observation at Paranal Observatory. Thank you for watching. More information can be found in the SPHERE user manual and associated online documentation. For any questions, please contact us at ESO User Support. Happy observing!